Good morning, friends. Donna here from Donna's Place. I'm guest designing for Reneabouquetes this month, and I want to thank you for stopping and having a peek at my share video. Let me pull back and show you what I've done here. I've created a layout of my little kitty Missy. That says perfect love. Notice a little heart. And you see her little paw print. She's gone on to be in a better place, and this is a memorial layout for her. And it was perfect to have. What I've used here is Reneabouquet's printed beauty board, Romance and Roses. This is called the Blue Cherub, and I love this cherub. It's a nice size, and it also comes in lavender. The little sash across the cherub on this one is blue, but she also has them in lavender. And again, that's called Romance and Roses, Blue Cherub. And then I also added some of this gorgeous lace, which I've partway covered up here. This is called Venetian embroidery lace. It's 3 3/4 inches wide, so it's a nice wide lace for layouts. And I love adding lace to my layouts. I'm kind of traditional in that way. And you can find it at Renee's in white and in pink. And then these gorgeous butterflies are so pretty. They have such a beautiful printing, delicate printing and roses on them. They have a little pink glitter glass on the tails, if you can see that. And they are called Amelia's Rose Garden. It's a double-layered butterfly, and they come in this 3-piece set with the largest one here. Or maybe this is the largest one. No, this is the medium one. And this is the smaller one on the foot. And they are so pretty. You can find all of these items at Reneabouquetes. And I want to thank you for having a peek this morning at my little layout. Thank you for stopping by, and have a great day. Until next time, bye-bye.